Colorado was a very transformative place for me. It got me out into the real world. I took every field biology class given at the college with amazing professors that opened my eyes to the natural world. And it changed my trajectory in a huge way. I really thought at that point I'd be a scientist, but many of the scientists were writing papers and were publishing papers, but were not involved as much in the action to try to actually protect the natural world. By the time I graduated, it was very clear to me that I wanted to get involved in the nexus of issues around protecting the natural world, protecting the environment, finding a way to make a difference. And from that went on to co-found with legendary environmentalist David Brower, who's also a friend of Colorado College, the group Earth Island Institute. And that organization was really built around trying to innovate and support young people and new projects involved with conservation, action, protection, and restoration of the Earth. I also remember my biology professor, Dr. Beidelman, when I was kind of raising the quandary, well, of all the issues in biology and species, how do I choose? Where do I go? Which one do I pick? And he said, that doesn't matter. He said, find a piece and pull on it. Find a strand and pull on that strand because it's connected. It's all connected. If you're working on one endangered species, you'll find that that endangered species is part of an endangered ecosystem. And it's less, it matters less. It matters for you to find the passionate one that you feel connected to more than it does one versus another per se. The threats that confront the Earth right now require us to basically rethink everything. We need to rethink the way we grow our food, the way we build our houses, the way we build buildings. All the things that have to do with survival on the planet revolve around rethinking, and that's going to take innovation. It's going to take individuals taking action. It's going to take breaking out of the kind of molds around how we have done things in the past. And young people are so key to that. Our organization does a lot of work empowering young people, at recognizing young people, and Colorado College has always seemed to me as a place that really pushes that heavily and succeeds in that. It's a place that generates change makers.